Welcome to Pawtucket, Rhode Island, everybody. As you know, we're in this storm, this blizzard. My sister and I are out here on my street trying to do work on this snow, but I just wanted to kind of show everybody what we're doing. Oh my God, my maintenance man is here and he's doing work. This is insane.
How can we just shovel that? God! And then he goes.
So I want to show you what they did to my street. Oh, I don't know if this is safe, but they plowed, right? And then they just stopped. And mind you, down there is the main road. So we're trapped. We're trapped. If you have any children, it's probably not a good idea to bring them outside. Oh my God, he's coming towards me. Oh my God.